Hi everyone. So this is the question which will ask in interview. This kind of questions will ask in many interviews of SQLs. So I hope this will help you out. So the question is find employee IDs whose annual salary is greater than 50 lakh in 2023. So they are giving you table like this, like employee ID 1 2 3 1 2, and salary of that particular employee and credited date, on which date it is credited. So uh, table name we are taking as a employees. So how we can find it through the SQL? So answer is, uh, let's find the answer. Select, because we are finding employee ID as mentioned in the question, so select employee ID from, this is the table name, employees where, because we need to find it for 2023, so where we are extracting the year, so extract year from credited date. The column name is credited date. Equal to 2023. Group by, what we are doing is group by employee ID, because at the end of we need to find employee IDs having sum of the salary, because we are doing sum of the salary is greater than 50 lakh. So this is the answer you need to give. So let me explain you what it is going to do. This query will filter record from 2023, and it is grouping by employee ID, and the use of sums of salary is to get the annual total, whether those employees have total is greater than 15 lakh or not. So I hope this uh, query will help you out in interview, or maybe you can remember this kind of question, so whenever it will ask you in the interview you will easily able to answer it. And all the links of this will be mentioned in the description, so you can find out detailed description of this. Thank you so much for watching this video.